Watcher, welcome back to Essential Handyman. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to strop your knives. The first method is a traditional leather strop. I made this one. There's a video you can see how I made this from just a bit of hardwood and some leather from an old sofa or an armchair. And you obviously apply stropping compound. You don't have to apply stropping compound, it just helps. You obviously just strop your knife backwards and forwards upon the leather, and it will remove the burr from the knife. So the traditional method of doing it, using a leather strop. The second method is not as good as a leather strop, but cardboard. If you see, you have cardboard with, you know, ridges in it, just a traditional flat cardboard, and you can strop your knife using the edge of this. You can apply compound to all of these, but it works just as efficiently, albeit it will take a little bit longer without stropping compound. The beautiful thing about using a bit of cardboard is, if you have an angled knife, so one that's not completely straight, has a bit of a hook in it, you can use that on the edge of the cardboard, and that will get inside the angle section where a flat piece of cardboard won't. So you can strop on the side of the cardboard, you can strop on the flat piece, and again this will just remove the burrs from your knife. Another method of stropping your knives is with denim. Denim is an excellent stropping material. Laid flat like this, you do get some problems. It wants to wrinkle up, and that's not particularly good for your knife. This, you can cut this off and put it onto a bit of wood like you would do with a leather strop, and it works really well. Denim has the added feature of you can do it when you're wearing them. Obviously don't do it with your knife blade towards you, but if you're wearing your jeans and you've stretched it over your thigh, for example, you can pull it apart. You can pull it. Now if you listen to this, you can hear it brings up a ridge, which is not particularly good for your knife. So this, again, not particularly good for stropping on a flat surface unless you've got it stuck down onto a board behind you or you're wearing the jeans. But this is an excellent option for stropping your knives. You can use compound on all of these. Obviously you may not want to use compound on jeans that you're wearing, but you could use compound on your leather strop, you could use it on your cardboard, and you can use it on leather that's been put onto a backer. So you may want to cut a piece off and stick it onto here. You could have leather one side, denim the other. Personally I wouldn't bother, because leather is a better material. So there you are, just a quick video on how to strop your knives and 2 alternatives to the traditional leather strop. You never know, this might help you out when you're in a bind, you're out and about, you're having a barbecue, in the woods, you know, over the fields and on the beach, and you haven't got a very sharp knife, you just want to strop it up a little bit. You know, this might help you. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. See ya!